what's up, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do a product review. So this brand called Mystic Living sent me some of their products, wherein I also received this anti-pigmentation and dark spots remover cream. So since I've been planning a skincare series for you guys, I thought let's just try it myself to give you guys a proper review. And as you can see, I haven't got much dark spots or pigmentation, so I also made my mom try it who's got pigmentation. So yeah, we both tried it for a month so that we can give you guys an honest review about this product. So let's get started. So this is how I received it. That's the name of the brand mentioned here, and open it, and here you get this product. So this is priced at rupees 499, available on Amazon, and there's some discount going on right now. I think 20% off, so you get it for rupees 399, which is quite affordable. This product consists of all the natural ingredients. It's Ayurvedic with goodness of essential oils, and yeah, it does not consist of any synthetic colors or artificial fragrance. And guys, you get a good quantity, and they have expiry of 2 years, and it does have some fragrance. It's not too harsh, but it smells like lily lotus, which is quite pleasant and refreshing. With the first application, it makes your skin smooth and glowy. You can just feel it with the first application, and this is perfect for all skin types, but people with extremely sensitive skin might feel a little irritation for the first time when they apply it, but that would be absolutely fine in seconds. So my mom has got extremely sensitive skin, and she has been trying this product for a month now, and she's loving it because it has lightened her pigmentation and her spots. So yeah, it's amazing. So it consists of lily lotus, mulberry extract, lemon juice, which helps control sebum and which lightens the dark spots. It's got pomegranate extract along with hyaluronic acid, which boosts the collagen and also gives anti-inflammatory properties to the skin. Quinoa seed extract, which helps in reducing the pigmentation. It also consists of basil along with vitamin C, which helps in brightening your skin tone. So yeah, it helps in removing your dark spots, fading your pigmentation, clarifies uneven skin tone, and at the same time it brightens your skin tone. Amazing product, and I highly recommend this. Use it twice a day after washing your face. Massage it well till it is nicely absorbed. And guys, there's some discount going on Amazon, so do check that out and order yours now, because I'm sure this is gonna give you great results, and you'll thank me later. So I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.